Oh my god. This is disgraceful.
This way I can remember how to do it, and also for those who do not know, to set the clock on this, you're going to click timer clock twice, then set the time. In this case it is 3:15, and then you're just going to hit timer clock once more, and as you can see, that's how you set the clock.
So, I love Amazon and I love using Amazon, but I'm not happy about the damage to this. I don't think it's going to affect usage, but it definitely is not intended to be bent right there. Thank you.
Love this microwave. Love it. Absolutely love it. I had to get this on video though. Everything looks good.
And you cannot disengage that.
Had it for over a year, but it opens kind of like slower than it did before. Like, look. Yeah. You gotta push it. But it's still good. It's still good.
It's pretty loud.